Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and today I am planning the week of March 16th through March 22nd. It is the week of St. Patrick's Day, and so I have this kit from Krissyanne Designs, or at least these stickers from Krissyanne Designs for St. Patrick's Day. It's part of her most recent celebrations collection that she launched earlier this year, and so I'll be using this sticker sheet along with some other functional stickers from Krissyanne Designs to plan this week. Although I will be upfront right away and say I don't know how much I have to plan because, like many of us in the United States right now, my work situation is a little bit up in the air as we monitor what's happening with the coronavirus. For the moment, I am scheduled to work this week, but that could change, it seems like, at almost any minute. So I have things that are just generally happening regardless if I go to work or not that I will be putting in here, but I don't have any extra plans this week. So yeah, it's probably going to be a shorter plan with me for this week, which, you know, maybe isn't a bad thing. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So as I mentioned, I've got this kit from Krissyanne Designs here. I also have this washi from Simply Gilded. I've had it for quite a while now, and I used it in my Hobonichi this time last year when I was using the Hobonichi, but I don't think I've used it in the Erin Condren planner or any other planners thus far, so I'm excited to use it in this kit. It's not a perfect match, but it's pretty close, I would say, and so I'm definitely going to go ahead and use this one and then possibly follow up with some of the washi strips from this sticker sheet. So let's go ahead and start covering some things up, like this March sticker over here. That's a little bit crooked, but still good enough. I don't think I'm gonna put my workouts in here. This is gonna be my last week of doing Lift 4, so I don't know if I need to put something on here for that this week. I'm just looking off to the side through this binder to see what else might be in here. Okay, I'll move that out of the way for right now. I'll come back to that. Let's put the things down that I know are happening. So we're supposed to be off on Wednesday, but I think I'm gonna try and take off Monday instead. It just sounds like if we do have to work this week, my coworker or videographer is going to be off on Monday, so if there's a better day of the week for the two of us to overlap, it sounds like Monday will be that best day. Don't know if I love my lettering on there, but it is what it is. Tuesday is obviously St. Patrick's Day. Normally St. Patrick's Day is a really big deal for my husband. He goes out with his friends. They have like an annual tradition of going out to this one bar every single year that they all go to together. And I don't think that they'll be doing that this year, so he's a little bit bummed about it, but better safe than sorry is how I feel about this whole situation. Okay. Nothing for Wednesday right now. My husband is supposed to have a job interview later this week. Hopefully that's still happening. He has an interview finally, if you've been following me for a little while, for a potential paid internship that would take him from basically the end of this spring semester over the summer to right before he graduates in late July, early August. So fingers crossed that that happens for him. He's been anxious about not having any prospects at the moment, and of course the situation with the coronavirus is just making him even more anxious about what's to come in the next couple of months. But yeah, hopefully that still works out for him. So that's that. We do have payday that day as well. And that is it. Literally for all the things that are at this time are still happening this week. So let's see. I'm gonna need a checklist, so let me grab something from my Amy stash really quick. I suspect we're going to be home next weekend, so I'm fine with putting 2 checklists right next to each other because I don't plan on being out. And I have a strong feeling that we would probably be told to stay home. I have previous celebrations collections, so and it looks like I used all the full boxes in those. Okay, that's fine. Sorry, I feel like this is a little all over the place right now. I'm trying to figure out where I have full boxes from her that I can use for the rest of the week, since this is definitely going to be a full box heavy week. And there's this spring kit, which I feel like at least this one definitely goes. I meant to put that one on this page. Thank God her stickers are repositionable now. I didn't want to put the 2 greens on the same day. So I basically just took the functional stickers that she had on here and almost made them like full boxes. As far as like having like a little saying and graphics on them by putting the written stickers on them as well. That looks really, really cute. So, do I want to put this on here? Let's see. I don't know how I feel about that. We're just gonna leave that alone. There are these thinner washi strips, so let's see what it looks like here. It fits perfectly there, but I just don't like how it looks with what's currently there. I think I would have preferred this pattern in that skinnier washi, but that's okay. Give me 1 second and I will grab some washi to fill in this area here. Grab this 5mm Simply Gilded with the gold foil, so it still matches the gold foiling on the bottom washi as well. And it's got those stars in it, which I didn't even realize until I started laying it down and looked down here that that one has stars too, so that kind of works out perfectly. And as usual, I did put a sticker up there already, but these newer Krissyanne Designs Sisters stickers peel back really, really nicely. On a very serious note though, I do want to say that while this is it, and this is all I have done for this week, that I do hope everybody stays well and healthy, especially if you're a viewer that is in one of our most at-risk categories. Please take all precautions you possibly can to limit contact with others that isn't necessary, whether it's going out and running errands or just being around or socializing with other people. And then if you're, someone who is healthy, this is still not something that you want to catch, it sounds like. So I would just recommend keep hand washing, keep sanitizing, keep, fist bumps, elbows, all of that kind of stuff. Keep doing all of that because this could potentially be really, really bad. We just don't know yet. So I hope everybody is well. I hope you stay well, and hopefully I'll see you back next week for another plan with me. It really depends on how this week goes. I would say I'm planning on doing another plan with me for next Tuesday, but also just be aware that that could change, and it just depends on what my work situation is like and how the rest of the week goes for me. And hopefully none of us get sick. That's also another possibility out there. So with that said, your best bet is to follow me on Instagram. It's linked down below in the description, and you will see updates from me on if that changes or not. But that's it. Have a great week. Stay healthy, be well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to talk about your anxieties about coronavirus, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll respond back. Or any comments about anything else in this video, anything you guys want to talk about, I will be glad to respond and chat with you all. If you're a long-time subscriber, thanks for being here, and I will see you all again soon.